And good morning, Facebook. Another bright and sunny day here in the SimplyDiag Community Hub. And it is bright and it's sunny. It's a shorts day. And we woke up. So if you woke up today, congratulations. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it was your birthday yesterday, happy birthday. If it's your birthday over the weekend, awesome. Have a good one. So, what have we got going on today? Well, we've got, oh, that's a bit bright, that sun. We've got young Mike. Mike's come all the way up from Wiltshire, I think it is. He's coming for his ride along today. We've got a broken Audi behind us with the rear tailgate that doesn't open. We've got a non-starting Astra J outside. And we've got Dags' silver A3 that's still outside, still wants some wiring fixing. Sorry, Dags. But the good news is we diagnosed the Mini, so we did one thing right this week. It's been, I tell you what, it's been a long week. I worked Saturday and Sunday last weekend. I'm really looking forward to this weekend. Morning, Richard. Morning, Paddy. Yeah, I'm going to make the most of this weekend. So, happy days. Silverstone Grand Prix. If you're a Grand Prix fan, I hope you have an awesome weekend's racing. Mum, I don't expect to be seeing much of you this weekend. Enjoy the racing. Morning, Jonathan. And it's Chippy Friday, so I wonder what we're going to have for lunch. May or may not involve a salad-free lunch today. And big news, somebody might be getting on a plane in the next couple of weeks. Might be going over the sea to go and see a few of our foreign peers, compatriots, whatever you want to call them. Watch out for news incoming on that later on today. Morning, Ross. Morning, Jonathan. Yeah, Stevie's getting on a plane. Can't wait. Booked the flights this morning, so there we go. Awesome. And 14th of July. Watch out, there's something awesome coming. Hope you really enjoy it and get something out of it. So, say no more. Morning, Adam. Morning, Ross. Morning, Martin. Jay's having a customer day tomorrow up in Fife. Could be tempted to drive up to Fife. Who knows? Yeah, maybe give Thunderbird 2 a trip out, stretch its legs. Morning, Martin. We'll see. I don't know. It's a bit far go for a Scotch pie, that is, but we'll see. What else have we got going on? What's going on next week? We've got Top Don UK. We've got Jack's coming down from Top Don UK next week, next Wednesday. So Diagnostic Connections. Top Don UK will be in the house next week. Can't wait for that. Morning, Stuart. Yeah, it's going to be absolutely awesome. Yeah, we're going to have a good week next week. Great weekend this weekend. Who knows where we might end up, what we might get up to. But whatever you're doing, have an awesome Friday. Have a brilliant weekend. Enjoy it. You've earned it. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.